Hey guys, Dr. Joe here. So today we are going to talk about what to do when your upload is stuck, when you're uploading to YouTube from your mobile phone. So what you want to do is don't delete the file, don't delete that upload. First, you go where all the apps are located and find settings. You go into the settings. Then you find apps. So you click on apps, and then when all the apps are displayed there, you search for YouTube Studio app. When you find it, you click it, and you choose force stop. So you force stop, you close the application, you force stop it, yeah? It will ask you again if you want to forcibly stop it, you press yes. After that, you're still at this YouTube Studio app, and you click there storage. In storage, then you click clear cache, and after the cache is cleared, you can go out of this thingy, restart the application, and you will see your upload will continue where it left off. Hope you enjoyed this video and the solution, which is, yeah, it took me about an hour to find it, but yeah, it should work like that. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, guys, and write me down in the comments if it worked for you or not. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Take care. Dr. Joe out. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. And the next one, guys.